Are you looking for the best rolling toolbox? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best rolling toolboxes that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Keter 241008 Masterloader Resin Rolling Toolbox. Being the world market dominator, Keter introduces us with a master loader tool chest. Featuring high mobility and satisfying price tag, this product hardly fails anyone's demand. Due to its compartment feature, it becomes the right choice for the workers or plumbers. Compartmentalized boxes make it too easy to find the right tool. You do not need to waste much time in searching for tools when all are organized. With it, the workshop or homebound jobs will be so convenient and precise. The mechanism of the central lock maximizes its security and steadiness while being transferred. And the interior design is so well made to use most of its space. The hinge-folded system offers more to the organization of tools. It has a dual storage system too. This means you can slide the upper part and open the central portion of it. You can also use the top portion to keep your most helpful tools. The part underneath is barely used and heavy kits can be placed. This is the main storage place. It is quite spacious and can take in a good amount of tools. Moreover, the handle of this box is extendable to make it easy to roll. There is a ball bearing slider so that one can quickly get into the part underneath. Both the handle and the wheels are sturdy. Though it is made of plastic, it's well made. If you are looking for something with a budget, do consider it. This black chest is the best rolling toolbox for the money. Pros: serves well in both domestic and professional purposes. Easily portable. Lightweight. Great price. Well made. Number 2. Klein Tools 55473 RTB Rolling Tool Bag. Providing the best loading capacity, this toolbox features 8-inch wheels to make the rollover easy. You will not feel any difficulty rolling it over hard or rough areas. The quality of it are amazing. You will be delighted to see the easy maneuvering of it throughout your job site. Since its handle has a pull-out system which is of high clearance and heavy duty. This handle helps to transport tools that can even weigh up to 250 pounds. The interior of this box is extensively spacious. Altogether it has 19 pockets to make the organization easy for both large and smaller tools. These also maximize sorting chances. The company has used ballistic weave material to manufacture all these pockets. This material is highly durable and water resistant as well. As the top part is durable with several compartments, you will not face any problem in stacking up tools on top of it. The units are well constructed with quality zippers. Not only tools, but you can also use those pockets to keep your beverages or cell phone. There are exterior webbing and D-rings that can allow you to add bungee wire connection and other accompaniment. To keep the lid closed, it features metal latches too. The chances of missing any tool from it are rare due to double lock hasp. If desired, you can add a wireless speaker or LED light on the front mount of it. Pros: durable. Super sturdy. Large strong wheels. Sufficient storage space. Roll easily on rough pavement. Number 3. Goplus 6-drawer rolling toolbox. Well, you know an organizer makes your room look tidier. But isn't it better if it is easier to move around freely? In that case, you will be able to keep it at any corner where you feel suitable. This black-colored organizer is known for its easy movable features. Also, this particular product has a dimension of 13L x 24.5 W x 43.58 inches. It is good enough to store different types of tools along with other miscellaneous objects. Physically, this product is of strong build with cold-rolled steel of good quality. It comes with 6 drawers that can be smoothly drawn out because of ball-bearing rails. They have 4 small drawers and 2 large drawers with dual trays. At the bottom, there is a large cabinet with spacious storage. Interestingly, the cabinet and the tool chest can be used separately or together, however you want to use it. They come in 2 pieces. You don't need to worry about storing other tools. This organizer will help you in keeping your workspace neat and clean. Goplus organizer is highly portable, as said earlier. They are designed with 4-wheelers. As additional features, 2 of the wheels have brake systems. Moreover, they also have a one-sided handle for moving it easily. Therefore, you can use it in your office, home, or any building or work site. Pros: lock system drawers. Handle to control the rolling cabinet. Well made and stable design. Highly portable. Number 4. Jontex 2PC Mini Tool Chest Cabinet. The word mini used in its name is deceiving. It provides quite a good space for storing your tools. Even if it looks too heavy as a carrier, impressively, its top box is separable with a handle. Designed with several drawers and a large cabinet, you will never be short of space. The handle on top ensures easiness in carrying it. If you remove the upper lid, you will also get some space over there. As for safety, it will provide you with 2 locks. This 4-wheeled chest saves your time and energy in moving it. The casters are flexible, too, and have locks. So whenever you need to make it stable, you can easily do that. For convenience search, the chest door has 6 hooks to hang some of the important tools separately. There are 3 removable drawers. Drawers can be pushed in and pulled out easily. All the screws and pins come with code numbers. The assembly of this product is also very easy to understand. Just follow the few steps to set it up. Moreover, the storage cabinet at the bottom has a 2-tier storage for different size tools. One side has 6 hooks for hangable tools. Also, it is convenient for moving the tool cabinet. Dimensions of the storage cabinet are 17.93 x 113 x 22.83. The finish is coated with powder to prevent rust. Furthermore, the overall design and outlook of this tool chest are quite impressive. The combination of red and black color looks pretty, as well. You can keep it in the office, in the home warehouse, or the garage if you are not carrying it anywhere. Pros: inexpensive. Upright chest set. Flexible casters. Impressive design. Number 5. Gearwrench 20-inch 3-drawer steel tool box. Here's a toolbox well suited to the enthusiast whose tool set goes beyond the basics and who wants to keep them protected and well organized, yet not be overwhelmed by an oversized tool chest. The Gearwrench 20-inch toolbox is made of durable steel with a corrosion-resistant powder finish black paint. There's a keyed center lock to keep the box secured and an easy grip handle so you can tote it where you need it. The chest has 3 drawers with smooth ball-bearing slides, plus a top storage compartment for a total of 4 compartments to organize your tools. The weight capacity of the whole box is 75 pounds. The box itself weighs 20 pounds. At 20 inches wide x 8 inches deep x 12 inches tall, there's plenty of room for all the basics plus quite a few extras, making this a good choice for home, garage, or workshop. About this item: steel. Portable toolbox with ball-bearing drawer slides. Keyed center lock for improved security. Black powder coat wipes easily clean and resists rust and corrosion. 1-year limited warranty. What we like: smooth running drawers. Versatile storage options. Sturdy construction. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.